Good morning, Nana. Good morning.
My name is.
Good morning. Good morning, Anju.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
Tejasvi.
What is your school name?
Wonder Kidz.
Which class are you studying?
Kidz.
Tell anyone story in English with action. Story. Story. Tell story. Angry Fox.
Angry fox walking around in jungle. 5 o'clock piece of cheese. Sitting on the tree.
I had a piece of.
Yeah, piece of cheese.
It is mouth.
Sitting on a tree.
Tell any 2 rhymes in English with action. Wheels and the bus. Tell any rhymes. Wheels and the bus.
Wheels and the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels and the bus go round and round, hard down.
Horn of the.
Bypass and the bus go fish, fish, fish. Bypass and the bus go fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish.
The horn on the bus. Beep, beep, beep.
Pip, pip, pip. Pip, pip, pip. Bypass and the bus go pip, pip, pip. Hard down.
Tell any 2 slokas in Sanskrit.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Saksha, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha, Asatoma, Sadgamaya, Tamasoma, Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma, Amritangamaya, Om, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
What is this picture?
Correct.
What is this picture? What is this picture?
Yappy. Tomato.
What is this picture? What is this? Potato.
Potato.
What is this color?
Blue color.
Yellow.
Yellow.
What is this color?
Blue color.
What is this color? What is this color? Black.
Black.
What is this picture? Letter.
Ah.
Say. Arm.
Arm.
What is this letter? E.
E.
E say.
Is a
Eat.
E.
What is this letter? Who.
Who.
Who say?
Who say
Moon.
who.
is this number? What is this number?
2.
This number? What? 5.
5.
What? What is this number? 6.
6.
What is this number? 10.
10.
A for?
A for
What?
apple.
Spelling of apple?
Apple.
C for?
Cat.
Spelling of cat?
C-A-T, cat.
E for?
E for
What? E for? F for?
F for fish.
Spelling of fish? Fish spelling? What is this letter? Ante?
Amma.
Ante?
Avu.
What is this letter?
Vu.
U ante?
Rushi.
U ante? Picture. What is this picture?
Elika.
What is this letter? I. I ante? I do.
I do.
What is this letter? Go.
Wo.
Go ante?
Onte.
ఏంటది? Tell.
Tell.
What is this letter?
Tell.
What is this letter? A.
A.
A ante?
A ante elephant.
ఏనుగు.
Yenugu.
What is this letter? U.
Vu.
U ante?
U ante